What is more important for Swiggy? A particular paneer makhani from a particular restaurant to me, to my place, with the same quality without any issues.
Super.
That is what actually Swiggy does.
Hi everyone. One question you guys have been asking about: what is this role called as product management? क्या product management चीज क्या है? And why the whole world is moving towards product management? People are hiring. Is it IT or not IT? I've got Amol Guttal with me. Amol represents IPL. He's an alumni of a great product management course. उसके बारे में बताऊंगा आपको. Hi Amol ji, welcome on board.
Hey Sumit, how are you doing?
I'm doing
Thanks
absolutely.
for having me, and thanks IPL and ISBR for having me here.
Great. So I met sir. I said, why don't we build a small content piece, because he's heading right now the entire product division at a company called Waycool. Sir, please tell us a little bit, like a few seconds about Waycool. What are you doing there?
Yeah, I'm head of product management, where I work with various business stakeholders, internal as well as external clientele, to develop products in supply chain technology. So Waycool is it's like one of the biggest agri-commerce company, delivering to 1 lakh customers, directly procuring from farmers and delivering to 1 lakh retailers. So the technology involved to power this is what I'm helping building Waycool, and also will help.
So in short, this is the guy who's built a product. This product can enable nearly 1 lakh plus farmers to empower them so that उनके सामान वहाँ से उठा के and they can deliver to the retailers as well. And your retailers and channel partners are even big guys like Swiggy and other folks as well, right?
Yeah, so we deliver right from a Kirana store to Swiggy, Zepto, Flipkart. So yeah, we do service all this kind of.
Lovely. This is so exciting. I'm excited. By the way, I 2009 I presented this idea that we can start selling online fruits and vegetables, and my professor ripped me off and said just one line: online for perishable goods, e-commerce is not possible at all. And
now you can see it's in reality. Many folks are doing. Waycool is pioneering it, and it's kind of an alternative to your current market. Whatever farmers go to a marketplace and a retailer go to market and buy it, it's an alternative, and we promise good price and good quality.
Superb. This is amazing. Let's get into detail. So, boys and girls, I'm going to ask you two questions. One is what product management is all about, and careers also. You go to IIM Ahmedabad, you go to SPJain Bombay, Amazon comes on campus, Swiggy comes on campus, now Zepto has started hiring it. You do a course from IPL, sir is an IPL alumni himself, by the way. Or you join the program at ISBR, people who are joining for product management. Niche, I'll send you the link. And after that, you get into the roles called product management. Sir, what are these roles called? Is it IT? Is it a glorified version of IT, product management?
No, I'm not sure. I think there's a misconception that product management is for it. Product management can be for any product, right? What do you mean by a product, right? A product is solving a particular problem, correct? You take this particular flask, it's solving a problem. You take this coffee mug, it's solving a problem, right? So as a product management person, what do you mean by product manager, right? The manager aspect of it, right? I ensure that whatever the solution, first I need to identify what is the problem I'm solving, right? And I ensure that I give a proper solution, empathizing my customer. For example, this particular flask is, I use it, why I bought this over this flask, which is from Instacup. This is for Vadam. I bought this because it has a cover here.
Yeah, just show me. It's a cute flask. Just show me. It's so small.
Cute flask, right? Yeah. I bought it because it is a tea plus coffee flask, and it has a very good color, and it is thermosteel, everything. And the thing is, it is very small and it has this cover, and that's the reason I bought this flask, right? As a product manager of this, I what would I have done it? I would have understand the user like me, right? And see that, okay, I don't need much of it. I just need simple. And then I would have come up with it. And obviously, I need to attract customers, a good color and good packaging. Right? So in this product, there are many things. Understanding the problem, understanding me as a customer, and understanding the solution. And once you understand, you devise that particular solution, you have to scale it.
Great. I like your way of explaining things. By the way, this guy is a great guy. He worked with Intel, Infosys, IBMs of the world, and later on he finished his MBA as well. He's an engineer. So, sir, I can see that experience. But how are you making life easy for us to understand? It's pretty interesting. My next question is, okay, I've understood product management. If I'm joining Swiggy, so I could be doing some kind of small work, maybe on the checkout page of Swiggy could be designed by me. This could be a role. If I'm an Uber, how I can make Uber app faster, or how I can use data-driven activities, the pricing. These are all works of a product manager. Am I right, sir? Am I right?
Yeah, so these, see, ultimately what Swiggy provides or Uber provides. Again, going back to the basics, right?
Yeah.
In IPL, we have a very good, which will be part of ISBR, a very good course and a basic course called Value Proposition Design.
It's 2 o'clock.
That has the three things, which is understanding the problem, understanding the customer, and understanding. So this is very basic for a product manager to do, right? What happens, right? A technology person or any person who is not in this space, he always starts looking at a solution.
Right.
You need to look at the problem first. Keep yourself in the problem. So in case of Swiggy, what is more important for Swiggy, right? In order for Swiggy is to deliver a particular paneer makhani from a particular restaurant to me, to my place, with the same quality without any issues.
Super.
That is what actually Swiggy does. But in order to do that effectively, they have come up with this technology.
Right.
Like I am using their app, take Swiggy Instamart. I was so happy. Within 10 minutes it will come, and with a very good package.
Yeah, with a very good packaging. That's so true.
Correct. So what the product manager would have done, right? Why the Swiggy Instamart came into picture? Because I'm sitting here evening, okay, assume I want to have good cold drinks, watching the TV, right? But I don't have cold drinks. I don't want to go out. If I want to order in Amazon, it will take a day.
Yeah.
Deliver it in 10-15 minutes. That's a problem. So they would have done the user research, then only come. Otherwise, it won't be successful.
True.
Now you are delivering it. Now you got the problem, right? Now you also got who is the person. He is willing to spend money. Now while delivering the solution, solution, you have to ensure that your experience is good. User experience. So that's why a product management should also learn about user experience design, which is also a course as part of IPL. I hope they have covered in ISBR as well.
Yeah.
Where you understand the user. Now you understood the user from the functional aspect of the problem. Great. You are understanding the user from his view, empathizing, understanding kya hai Amol, kya hai Sumit, kya hai Anisha, right? And you are targeting. And then when first time when I got delivered cold drinks and everything, they delivered the cold drink with the bubble wrap.
Yeah.
They delivered the paneer in a thermo this thing bag.
The cold gel pack.
Exactly.
Yeah.
I was like, come on, how can you do this for this? Like, I was amazing. That's the product manager.
The customer delight as well. So
exactly.
Fix the problem,
now,
get a nice UI UX, and then customer delight is like the icing on the cake.
Correct. Ultimately, even though I would have obviously the app. Let us focus on the software aspect. Right? The app gave me a tracking on day to day, on minute by minute.
Minute by minute, right.
This guy paid, this guy came. But ultimate solution is not in the app. The ultimate solution is in delivering to me within that 10 to 15 minutes, ensuring the delivery guy follows all the protocol and he does not fill and he delivers at the right time. That is what Swiggy has mastered it. And technology is just supporting them. So as a product manager, I have to think at an end-to-end, not only technology, but checkout में करूँ तो हो गया नहीं. Checkout करने के बाद जो आता है physical world में, software world में, you have to think both of them. So that's where you are delivering the solution. So solution is not checking out. Solution is getting the product to your customer and he drinks it with a nice mind.
And says thank you and and he's happy about it. He recommend other people as well. So amazing. Now I'm feeling hungry. It's already 2 p.m. right now and I'm going to order something from Swiggy. This is so amazing. Thank you Amolji, whatever you're doing in the e-commerce space for farmers and 1 lakh farmers. I'm being a Punjabi, I've got a slight liking towards that topic as well. And we always thought about these things will happen, these and this is happening right now. What we're doing as
85,000 plus farmers
85.
and 1 lakh plus customers
Wow,
at people. And
this
we do the same thing. We, in fact, our product management team, be a software product management team or our own brands. We have our own brands. We follow the same kind of concepts there.
Superb, yeah. Any parting thoughts to all these great people, boys and girls? I'll just tell you one thing: if you're an IT person or BSc in IT or an engineer, explore these fields. It's an amazing field. If you ask me, I'll be your dad or your elder brother. I will tell you, just explore this beautiful thing. Learn what is value proposition. Learn what is UI UX.
Parting thoughts, as you said, you are yourself is a product manager, right? I told you before.
Yeah.
Because you are yourself, your company itself. You are managing that company itself. So product management as such, right? It applies to each and every sector. And the key thing is always understanding, keep yourself in the problem space. Then think of the desirability, the feasibility, and viability. What I mean by this, right? Desirability as a customer. How desirable is this particular problem? What is a critical problem? Whether it is feasible to implement this problem, and whether it is viable, whether I can make money out of it or not.
Yeah.
So a product, I have to think always in this from an internal point. When you are implementing a solution, you should understand what is getting implemented. That's where my core message is to folks is, if you are going in a software world or in a software world, understand what happens inside the product, right? How a software is built, what are the 3-tier architecture, understand that clearly.
Yeah.
Have a technical mindset first. If you don't understand that clearly, you can't understand your own product and you can't build a great product and deliver it to your customer.
This is so many. It's a mini MBA class of product management here happening. Thank you so much, Amol, also for joining in. People who are interested in product management, there are many colleges which are offering these courses. Many of the IIMs have got small courses. ISBR has got a full-time program which with affiliation with IPL. As a niche link dunga, you guys can check it forward. As well, if you guys like it, go ahead and inquire more about it. Then you guys can join this. But it's a great
ISBR course. I heard it is very good.
Yeah. Even I got amazing feedback.
Joining with IPL is, I think IPL has a very good content, and we do that. The mindset changes with the IPL content because we actually do the work on the ground.
Superb.
That's more important.
And you're the alumni of that course. I mean, who else can tell us better. Thank you so much for joining in, Amol. And people who have enjoyed the video, do it on the like button. Niche comment kariye. Whether you are a software guy, write your profile. What do you guys do right now? Are you undergraduates? Are you an engineer? And we can discuss more about profile. And also, if you guys have any experience or questions about product management, talk more about that and we'll talk in detail. Thank you so much, Amolji, for joining in. Have a good day. Bye-bye. Thank you.